If your list has stopped buying, well, it's not because they don't care. It's because trust has slipped. Today, I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it fast. Email works only when trust is strong. When trust weakens, well, that's when engagement drops. And when engagement drops, inbox placement falls. That leads to fewer people seeing your best messages. The real problem is that trust fades before sales do. You see the decline in open rates and click rates weeks before you notice a dip in revenue. So what causes trust to decline? Tone changes, over-promoting, unclear value, messages that feel disconnected from your reader. Each one creates small breaks. Small breaks compound. Simply sending more emails doesn't fix trust. More bonuses don't fix trust. More urgency doesn't fix trust. Repair requires alignment, not pressure. Here's how to rebuild trust. Simplify your tone. Recenter on the reader. Rebuild value clarity. The most important step is to diagnose where trust is breaking. Guessing slow, clarity is fast. I created a custom GPT that reads your email, shows you where the trust gaps are, and then gives you fixes you can use right away. I call it Emily, the Email Analyzer. Try it now on your emails. Click the link in the description below to get access to it.